Hello everyone, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install the rim strips for your wheels. The one I have here is like a red, it's very generic. I bought it on eBay for I think $12. The material you need is very simple. Basically you need some clean paper towels, and you need some alcohol to clean the wheels, to make sure the wheels are really clean. And then to permanently affix the rim strip to the wheel, you need a hairdryer or a heat gun, so you can heat up the strips to make sure it have a good bond to the wheel. And of course you have to do this at a temperature, I think above 60 or 70 degrees, something like that. So make sure it's not extremely cold when you do this. And the prerequisite is that you have a very clean wheel. So over here I already cleaned my wheel using detergent, but just to be sure I'm going to use the alcohol to do a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to apply the rim strips. Okay, and it's laid out so that this is like I think 4 strips for each side of the wheel. So it have a total of 16 strips, and I'll just be showing one strip and see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out good, because this is my first time doing it. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm just gonna wipe down the side of the rim to make sure that the surface is extremely clean. There's no other grease and dirt on the side of the wheel. Spray some alcohol. I'm just gonna go through it. And as you can see, still some dirt over here, but hopefully it'll be clean after this. You want to make sure the surface is extremely clean, so you get a good adhesion. Yep, it's now super clean. I'm gonna take my first strip and I'm just gonna gently apply it by hand. I know there are some products that actually helps you apply the rim strips fairly easily, but over here it's a $12 rim strip, so if it screws up, I'm not gonna feel bad. Alright, so this is the first sheet. Alright. Let's see, I'm gonna peel the first one. And also, it will be much helpful if you have a motorcycle stand. So you have your back wheel on the stand. The front is going to be a little bit trickier because I don't have a front stand, so I have to roll the wheels a little bit to apply all the strips onto the rim. Okay, so let's get started. On this one, if you can see, it's actually a little damaged, so hopefully it doesn't affect us. We'll give it a try. You guys. Let's hope I don't screw it up. It also helps if you have a rubber glove, so it doesn't get any grease onto the strips itself. I mean, there are some rooms for mistakes, but not much, so just be extra careful. And make sure you're not stretching it too much, because this is not a stretchable material. Alright, so I got my first strip done, and I have, I think, 4 to go. So we'll start doing those. And it actually went up pretty nicely. Okay, let's do the rest. Guys, it's really important your hand is clean, and for the second strip you're just going to overlap slightly. Kind of hard. As you can see, I actually applied the second one much quicker. Mosquitoes, but yeah, it's not that bad. I'm squeezing out all the air bubbles if there are any inside. And now I'm on to the third. Again, overlap just slightly. So that's the third strip. As you can see, after the first one, the subsequent one is it's much easier to apply. So it's already looking really nice. Zooming a little bit, check it out. And it's fairly straight. Cool. Now I'm on to my last one. already done. It's overlapping a little bit, but the result seems pretty good. Zoom it in, do a rotation. So not too bad. And then after I finish everything, I'm just gonna use my hair dryer to heat it up so it adheres a little bit better, and that's about it. I'm gonna finish the rest of the rims, and as you can see, it's very simple and very easy. So if you guys have any questions about how to apply the rim strip, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, hope you find this video helpful. Please hit like or subscribe if you do find this video helpful. And again, thank you so much and have a great day.